Okay, I thought I was crazy before, but now listen, we go to here, we go to sound, and we go to adjust quality, and we'll go ahead and move the balance. Look at that. There's nothing coming out of that speaker on the other side. It's completely dead. Nothing. Let's change stations and see if that continues. Go back to media. Let's go to presets. Let's go to presets here in the FM. Come on. FM. Presets. Let's try 102.5. Strictly on that side again. So we'll go to system, sound, and we'll go to sound quality, and then we'll balance. Nothing. It's only on the other side. Nothing. Nothing on that side. All right. I wasn't crazy.